Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. This presentation addresses the diagnostic trouble code DTC P0A14, which indicates a front engine mount actuator circuit malfunction. This issue can significantly affect vehicle performance, particularly in terms of drive stability and comfort. The Honda Accord models from 2008 to 2012 can experience this issue due to various factors related to the engine mount system. The front engine mount actuator plays a crucial role in dampening vibrations from the engine, helping to maintain a smooth ride. Understanding the functioning and characteristics of this actuator, as well as related components, is essential for effective troubleshooting. The steps outlined in this presentation will guide you through identifying and resolving the DTC. The DTC P0A14 points to a malfunction in the circuit associated with the front engine mount actuator. This actuator is vital for controlling vibrations transmitted from the engine to the vehicle chassis, enhancing ride quality. Positioned near the engine mount, it actively adjusts to isolate engine vibrations based on engine load and speed. When functional, this system significantly reduces the noise and harshness experienced inside the vehicle. A failure in this circuit can lead to increased vibrations, making the driving experience less pleasant and could potentially harm engine and transmission components over time. Locally investigating the physical and electrical aspects of this actuator is necessary for isolating the issue. Several factors could lead to the DTC P0A14. Electrical issues could arise from faulty wiring or connections that compromise the actuator's performance. This could include frayed wires, corrosion, or loose connections. A faulty actuator itself can also cause this trouble code, which may occur due to mechanical failure or excessive wear over time. Furthermore, problems with the connectors, such as dirt accumulation or loose terminals, may disrupt the signal and power flow necessary for proper operation. Each of these potential causes needs careful examination to ensure effective troubleshooting and repair. Identifying the root of these issues is critical to restoring the actuator's functionality. When experiencing the DTC P0A14, symptoms may include unusual engine vibrations that are felt throughout the cabin. These vibrations can adversely impact vehicle comfort and driver satisfaction. You may also notice increased noise levels emanating from the engine compartment, signaling that the mounting system might not be effectively isolating vibrations. Additionally, engine performance may suffer as the vehicle's systems fail to adapt properly to the engine's behavior. A malfunctioning actuator can prevent optimal operation, leading to potential drivability issues. Recognizing these symptoms promptly can lead to quick identification and resolution of the underlying problem. For the initial step in troubleshooting DTC P0A14, start by turning the ignition switch to the on position. 2. This will prepare the vehicle's systems for diagnostic testing. It's also essential to record all freeze data and any onboard snapshots. This data is crucial for understanding the conditions under which the DTC was set. Furthermore, reviewing the general troubleshooting information provides valuable insights into what components may be affected. This preparatory work lays a solid foundation for effective diagnosis and ensures that you have a comprehensive understanding of the situation at hand before proceeding further. In this step, use the Honda Diagnostic System HDS to clear the diagnostic trouble code. Clearing the code resets the system and allows for fresh monitoring of the performance. Once cleared, start the engine and let it idle for approximately 20 seconds. This idling period is crucial as it allows the engine management system to calibrate itself, thus enabling any new codes or stability issues to surface. After this phase, ensure to check for any pending or confirmed DTCs that may reappear. Effectively managing this step provides a fresh baseline for diagnosis and a stronger understanding of the vehicle's current state. After letting the engine idle, it is crucial to check for any pending or confirmed DTCs using the HDS. This step helps determine if DTC P0A14 still exists or if it has reverted to intermittent status. A yes response indicates that the issue persists and you should proceed to the next troubleshooting step. Conversely, if the code does not reappear, you might be facing an intermittent failure, suggesting the system is functioning correctly at this time. Consequently, it's worth checking for poor connections or loose terminals at both the engine mount control unit and the actuator. This careful examination can uncover underlying issues that may not always trigger a consistent diagnostic trouble code. Moving forward, turn the ignition switch to the lock position, 0, to ensure safety during the electrical disconnection process. Next, disconnect the front engine mount actuator by removing its 2P connector. This step is crucial for isolating the actuator from the circuit, allowing for thorough testing of each component separately. Additionally, disconnect the engine mount control unit by removing the 16P connector. Both connections need to be undone to examine for faults in the actuator and the control unit without any interference. Ensuring that these connections are handled with care is essential for maintaining the integrity of the overall electrical system. After disconnecting the actuator and control unit, turn the ignition switch back to the on-to position. You will now measure the voltage levels at the appropriate terminal of the engine mount control unit using a digital volt-ohm meter, DVOM. It's vital to ensure your DVOM can read fine changes in resistance, specifically 0.01 ohms. Zeroing the meter is a necessary first step before testing. Make sure you reference the correct wiring diagram to know which terminals to check for each DTC, as indicated. By measuring voltage in this manner, you can confirm electrical continuity and adequately ascertain whether the actuator is receiving the necessary signals from the control unit. After completing repairs related to DTC P0A14, reassemble all connectors, ensuring they are securely fastened and free from debris. Once reconnected, it's crucial to clear the DTC using the HDS again, resetting the diagnostic system. Following this, conduct a test drive to monitor the vehicle's performance. Pay close attention to any unusual vibrations and observe if the DTC reappears on the diagnostic scan. Successful elimination of the code and restoration of normal driving dynamics confirm the effectiveness of the repairs made. This step ensures that the vehicle is roadworthy and that issues have been addressed appropriately. Preventive maintenance is essential in avoiding future issues with the front engine mount actuator circuit. Regular inspection of connectors ensures that no corrosion or dirt buildup could hinder connectivity. Furthermore, checking for actuator wear on a routine basis can provide early indications of impending failure, allowing for timely replacement before failure occurs. Maintaining the integrity of the wiring is equally vital. Avoiding routes where wiring is exposed to heat or abrasion helps prevent shorts or breaks. Staying proactive in these areas vastly enhances the longevity of the engine mount system and avoids unnecessary repairs down the line. In summary, DTC P0A14 signals a malfunction in the front engine mount actuator circuit, which is critical for ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride. As outlined, understanding the role of the actuator and its connections lays the groundwork for effective troubleshooting. Following systematic steps, from recording freeze data to final repair verification, is essential to accurately diagnosing and repairing the issue. Regular preventive maintenance can significantly enhance durability and reduce the likelihood of encountering this issue in the future. By adhering to these recommendations, you can ensure the engine mount system operates effectively, providing an optimal driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.